So I just arrived in Delhi from Mumbai. Yesterday there was a protest in Mumbai at Shivaji Park, so I was there. Crazy shit is going down right now from the updates we are getting, and I was planning to do a live stream, but I can't do a live stream now because internet ही नहीं है वहाँ पे, and all my team is kind of stranded because बहुत भीड़ है वहाँ पे. So right now we are going to go to Connaught Place. वहाँ पे we are meeting some of the people we have managed to gather उधर. वहाँ से we are planning to go to the reverse march that is happening, which is some MPs have left from Sansad and they are walking towards Jantar Mantar. So we are trying to coordinate with their teams and see if we can go meet them. Let's see if that works out. That is what the agenda is right now. We got a bunch of numbers of PAs etc. who are with the MPs and I'm trying to call them, but one person who is already at the Sansad has told us that they tried to get out and वहाँ पे भी tear gas हो गया है. So MPs are like being tear gassed right now. Internet is now officially gone. We are like 5 kilometers away from Connaught Place, not even Jantar Mantar. They have shut down internet here. Phones are working. So one of the updates is that in the parliament, Amit Shah is bringing in the Vande Mataram bill because that is clearly priority right now. The bill says that people will be punished for saying Vande Mataram wrong for 3 years. So you remember that guy who did like Bhusmani? That guy.
वंदे मातरम पुलकिसता सुमिता दुमल सुनामी सुहासिन सुमंद्र भूस्मानी वंदे मातरम.
या उसको जेल करना चाहिए. उससे अभी वंदे मातरम फिर से गवाओ जंतर मंतर पे. That's what needs to happen. So one thing about the protest is that it has spilled out massively out of Jantar Mantar because the number of people, the sheer number of people that have arrived is madness. Right now I'm at CP, let me just show you. We are leaving from Connaught Place. There is a giant crowd that has just spilled over from Janpat to this place. We are trying to go to Sansad from the north. Probably a way which nobody considered. So yeah. Also, people we have gathered. So let's go. So we are in the north of the Sansad Bhavan and there is tear gas happening there right now, and now people are going to run. People are going to run.
है जो पुलिस आ गई है. हम स्टूडेंट नहीं, हम आतंकवादी हैं. हम तो देश के नागरिक है ही नहीं. हम आतंकवादी है जो हमें मारा जा रहा है, यहाँ पे ट्रीट दिया जा रहा है. इतनी पुलिस, इतनी मिलिट्री, इसका मतलब क्या है? हम छात्र नहीं है, ये देश ही हमारा नहीं है, इसलिए इन सबको बुलाया गया है यहाँ पे. हम आतंकवादी हैं इसलिए इतने पुलिस इतना ढच के आई है. देखिए देख सकते हैं, पूरी बॉडी दिखाई दे इनकी हमें मारने के लिए, क्योंकि हम आतंकवादी है. क्योंकि हम आतंकवादी मारा जाए ना, पूरी चमड़ी बाहर आ जाती है. आप सोचिए इस बरसात में सरकार पे सवाल लगेगा तो उसका क्या हो रहा है. सरकार पे सवाल उठाएगा, वो एंटी नेशनल कह रहे हैं. ये सरकार ज्यादा दिन चलने वाली नहीं है. सुन लो मोदी जी, हम तो पहाड़े के टट्टू हैं. हम पहाड़े के टट्टू हैं. ये चल ही तो नहीं रही.
So we are like 1 block away from the Sansad, and right now the scene has gotten ugly. Some group came. Hi. Some group came and how are you doing? I'm recording. Hi. What happened? You only tell me what happened.
I was there when this happened, so I brought these goggles with me, and these just showered us with tear gases.
बट उधर किसी ने पत्थरबाजी किया क्या
नहीं कुछ नहीं हुआ,
है?
नहीं कुछ नहीं
अभी
हुआ।
तो
मैं आगे खड़ा था वहाँ, बिल्कुल आगे खड़ा था,
हाँ।
कुछ भी नहीं हुआ। सीधा शट टीयर गैस के गोले चलाए गए हैं।
अच्छा।
थैंक यू मोदी जी, लव यू।
You have to know that there is a very different atmosphere at times here because there are some people who are extremely angry who just keep pushing forward. They get lathi charged, then they have like tear gases, and if you see this bus, it's full of security forces, and there are so many of these. This is what a standoff looks like. Also, Akhilesh, my cameraman. This is what a standoff looks like. There is a very angry bunch of people who are trying to move forward. Right there is the parliament, and now the riot police is here, and more keeps coming. So this is about to go down right now. I have a bad feeling about this. Guess where all of this is happening? ज्ञानेश, क्या तू खिड़की से देख रहा है? ज्ञानेश, ज्ञानेश, is that you, Gyanesh? So people have literally spilled over everywhere. This is the road leading to Patel Chowk where we were supposed to meet, but उसको भी barricade कर दिया है. And yeah, uncontrollable crowd, and this is what happens to traffic. So basically central Delhi is now at a standstill because no traffic can move and everybody's stuck. People often ask me, why care about politics, right? Why should I be political? Look behind me, these are the apolitical people. They didn't give a shit. They didn't realize how mad people were because they're like, oh, we are apolitical. अब फंसे यहाँ पे, दिन भर फंसे रहेंगे यहाँ पे, गुस्सा करेंगे सब लोग, ये सब गाड़ी वाले हैं. ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. Apolitical people get stuck. So behind me is where our Lord Army was supposed to meet today. Turns out it took me 3 hours to even get here, and I still can't get there because the metro station is completely swarmed by the police. And now there is tear gassing and whatever happening, and half of my crowd is that side and I'm here, and I was trying to get through and failed. Oh my god, just look at the number of buses here and look at the number of police people here. It's like a battalion. Attempt number 2. I'm taking you to the Bawal, whatever is happening, with live commentary if I can. That is gate number 3. This is where we were supposed to meet. And yeah, apolitical people stuck as usual. क्या चल रहा है भाई? I think I'm able to sort of piece together what is happening in all of this chaos a little bit. So in front of me is Jantar Mantar. Okay, this is Patel Chowk metro station, and everybody was called there. Entirely too many people showed up, and then they spilled over all over central Delhi. And now I can see that there are congregations of people all around Jantar Mantar till the parliament who are just there protesting and blocking streets, and then that happens. And because there are a lot of apolitical people who are just stuck and MPs who can't go home, I'm guessing to clear the traffic, they let them protest for a bit and then they move them aside to the next area. And then they move them back to another area. And beach में tear gas or लाठी charge करते. Okay, now some major shit is going down because I just saw like a battalion of civil dress policemen going with like lathis in that direction, and like they're running towards it. And my team is on the other side, and I was just talking to Tanika and she was just like fuck and cut the call. So I don't know what is happening. I'm just going there to see. Okay, so I think they're trying to push out the crowd from Jantar Mantar now. You can see like an extreme deployment suddenly happening. Like a bunch of people who are just going in that direction and sort of doing this. So there are many factions that have formed. This group of people have come in a while ago, and they haven't been allowed to sort of enter from there and go towards Jantar Mantar. So we are now trying to find another way because we were trying to go around. Didn't work. So we have finally made it into Jantar Mantar, and behind me is where the protest was, and it is completely empty. Like they completely emptied out that whole area and it has moved there in that direction. We finally managed to find a way inside. Like, and I don't know, let's see what's happening here. This is a crowd of people that set out from the Jantar Mantar protest area and were trying to walk towards Sansad, and then they were stopped midway, like 300 meters away from the protest area. That truck you see in the distance, yeah, this truck is where Abhijit Dipke was, and Gitanjali ma'am, who is Sonam Wangchuk's partner, and there was Chandrasekhar Azad as well. Another peculiar thing here is that the driver's seat was occupied by Delhi police. Delhi police. The Delhi police stopped the cavalcade, so everybody just sat down there for hours. Meanwhile, Saurav Das and the other guy, the spokespersons, they had gone to meet JP Nadda and they were under arrest. Well, meeting arrest as they call it, which means they were just kept there for 4 hours. So everybody was just waiting for 4 hours right here. This is the stage where the protest was happening for so long. And now the party has moved all the way that side and they have been stopped. You saw the visuals already. It's gone. The entire stage has been dismantled and now nobody is allowed to come back here. So that is what is happening. And we have been allowed to be here for literally 20 seconds just to say this and show the visuals. Now we will go. Hey, chal. Ho gaya, chal. Guys, there is something weird. So there is like, of course, this upturned car here. Don't know what happened. There is another burnt or damaged car on that side also. We have been going all around this general area. There is a massive amount of deployment also.
Around 600 people has been hospitalized. किसी का सर फटा है, पैर टूटा है.
That I know, like a lot of injuries have happened, but so they are going to Jantar Mantar.
I think yes, we all are going to.
You are going to Jantar Mantar? It's 10 in the night. I'm still at Jantar Mantar. Just wanted to show you the scene of what happened today before I close this vlog. And good news, they got their stage back. But look at what has happened. This was where the ISA tent used to be. Look at that. Yeah, these are all abandoned stuff because the police just casually just destroyed everything here. The protest site, whatever was here. They got their stage back, they reconstructed it. But look at this. Fucking hell. This is where the ISA tent used to be. This was the ISA tent. That was the CJP tent, which was torn apart completely, but they got it back finally. And yeah, the protest is still very much on. Just wanted to show you this because this is not over. It's day 2 and we have come to see how it's not over. Remember, I told you last time it's not over. Is it though? Is it? Let's see. Just wanted to show you the number of debates happening around here. Crazy number of debates and bite taking is happening. Friends, so crowd is freaking insane today. This has entered that territory which is like organic Mela territory, which is now not going to stop. Like they don't even need to do anything. CJP is there, but it doesn't matter anymore because people are just coming. They're just like swarming literally. And the crowd went all the way piche, which is mad. And also look, एक glorious sight दिखाता हूँ. ये गोदी मीडिया वालों को कोई अंदर जाने ही नहीं दे रहा है. Especially Smita Prakash. So the observation is that the protest has officially entered the Occupy era, which means that now it's just there. People keep coming and going, and it is going to continue now with Delhi police being Delhi police. I don't know how long this will last. People asked me how long it will last, and I was like, till the swarm wants it, till the cockroaches want it. Because this is now a swarm. And it's lovely to watch. Can you hear the screams? You can hear it from a far away distance also. Very happy.